All right, now we need to talk about brackets. Brackets is kind of a pain point when it comes to installations. I have heard about multiple different methods of people kind of hodgepodging sort of Home Depot methods for antenna brackets. So what we did, we designed and we built two types of brackets. One is an L bracket, which you can see right here installed on this low profile serving antenna, low PIM serving antenna. And you also have a Z bracket as well. Now, each one has its particular application. Typically, they are designed to be installed in areas where you want to get away from the wall and you don't have like a box or something to install on. They come in super handy because creating your own bracket becomes very difficult in the industry. So what you can see right here is this bracket has a bushing underneath it too. For those of you who are concerned about direct contact with the aluminum and the antenna, this bushing gives it space between the antenna and the metal bracket, so you can have less concerns about RF problems or RF interference when it comes to the antenna and the metal bracket. So again, these are great brackets to use, easy to install. They're going to make your job a lot easier to install instead of hodgepodging your own brackets. These are currently available. Awesome brackets.